Russia's defense industry has once again showcased its innovative prowess with the unveiling of the BTR-22 8x8 armored personnel carrier at the Army 2024 Defense Exhibition in Moscow. This new vehicle is poised to replace the aging BTR-22A model, reflecting Russia's commitment to modernizing its military assets in response to the rapidly evolving demands of contemporary warfare. The BTR-22 is a significantly forward in APC design, tailored to meet the multifaceted challenges of modern combat. Built on an 8x8 well platform, this 20-ton vehicle is fully amphibious, enabling it to traverse water obstacles with ease. It can accommodate a crew of 11 personnel, including a driver, commander, gunner, and 8 dismounts, making it a versatile transport option for motorized rifle troops. One of the BTR-22's most impressive features is its advanced protection system. The vehicle is equipped with comprehensive ballistic protection, rated to withstand B-32 bullets of 12.7mm caliber. This level of protection ensures the safety of both the crew and the sensitive equipment housed within, even in the face of small arms fire and shell fragments. Additionally, the vehicle is fitted with wire cage armor, which offers enhanced defense against the explosive impact of drones and other airborne threats, a growing concern of modern battlefields. The BTR-22 is armed with a formidable array of weaponry. Its primary armament is a 30mm Chu-A-72 automatic cannon capable of firing up to 330 rounds per minute with an effective range of up to 1,000 meters. This cannon is complemented by a 7.62mm PKMT coaxial machine gun, providing additional firepower for engaging both ground and aerial targets. The vehicle's ammunition loadout includes 300 rounds for the main gun, ensuring it remains combat effective even in prolonged engagements. The BTR-22 also features a PNK combined 2-channel daylight optical sight, equipped with a thermal emisser and a laser range finder. This advanced targeting system enables the gunner to accurately engage targets in all lighting conditions, enhancing the vehicle's effectiveness in both day and night operations. In a notable departure from traditional APC designs, the BTR-22 integrates cutting-edge electronic warfare capabilities. The vehicle is equipped with the LGSH-689 electronic warfare system, which was unveiled in mid-2024. This system is specifically designed to counter the growing threat of first-person view drones, which have become increasingly prevalent in modern conflicts. By jamming the frequencies typically used by these drones, the BTR-22 can neutralize aerial threats before they pose a significant risk to troops on the ground. The BTR-22's mobility is powered by a powerful diesel engine rated at 360 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed mechanical gearbox and a 2-speed transfer case with a locking differential. This configuration ensures the vehicle can handle diverse and challenging terrains, maintaining a maximum road speed of 85 km per hour. The APC's ground clearance of 475mm, combined with its torsion bar-based independent suspension system, allows it to navigate rough landscapes with ease, ensuring stability and comfort for the crew even in the most demanding environments. recognizing the increased threat posed by improvised explosive devices and landmines in contemporary conflict zones, the BTR-22 has been designed with significant mine protection capabilities. It can withstand the detonation of up to 6 kilograms of TNT under its walls or bottom, providing a crucial defense layer against these deadly threats. This level of protection is vital for ensuring the survivability of both the vehicle and its occupants in hostile environments. The BTR-22 is more than just a replacement for the BTR-82A. It represents a new generation of APCs designed for complexities of modern warfare. Its blend of traditional armor protection, advanced firepower, and state-of-the-art electronic warfare systems makes it a formidable asset on the battlefield. The vehicle's ability to counter drone threats, coupled with its mobility and survivability, positions it as a critical component of Russia's military strategy in the years to come. Given its advanced capabilities, the BTR-82 is likely to attract interest from international buyers, particularly those facing similar modern battlefield challenges. Its versatility and adaptability make it suitable for a wide range of military applications, from troop transport and fire support to logistics and technical support. The BTR-22's potential for export could see it becoming a key component of not only Russia's military but also the armed forces of allied nations.